guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a review and on what fits on this Coach Willis Top Handle 18. So on my left, this is in vermilion color, and on my right, this is the Hunter Green. Beautiful and gorgeous colors. So both of these are part of the original collections, and it's made up of Vuitton leather inside and out, and both of these has a brass hardware. Beautiful, gorgeous, and you can wear this one just by using the top handle or a crossbody bag as well. So this comes with a detachable strap. Okay, so let's start with the measurements. So Willis Top Handle 18 measures 7 inches on its length, and then the height is 6 3/4 inches, and the width is pretty much 3 inches. So yes, that's the Willis 18 measurements. Okay, so what do I normally put in my purse? Since this is a small purse, it's compact, it is on the smaller side, so usually I needed a phone. So this phone that I have here, this is a 7 Plus, so let me see if this one could fit. This one actually fits inside, but yeah, so snug. Oh, I have some desiccants here. Let's take this one out. I always put those desiccants inside my bag if I'm not using it. So yes, look at that. And also I actually kept a lining on this purse just to protect the Vuitton leather inside. I'm probably gonna have to change it one with something that's a little bit like thicker and a little bit more sturdy, guys. So the 7 Plus fits in here, but most of the time, let me just see, this is my most used phone, and this one is an iPhone SE. This one actually fits perfectly fine in here. Sometimes I use it this one to put right here in front pocket, and sometimes I use this one at the back as well, so for an easy access like that. I could always also put, it's tight, very tight though, but then again, this particular leather, the Vuitton, is really soft, and that's great. Okay, so yes, going back inside, let me just put my phone. So I will just put this phone inside. This is the iPhone SE. Okay, so for reference, yes, the 7 Plus fits in the purse. Yes, but it's a little snug though, but yes, it fits. Okay, so now we have the phone. I needed this is a Louis Vuitton 4-key holder, so that one fits perfectly inside. And then let me just try to put this mini pochette. First, just for reference. Yes, the mini pochette actually fits in here because that's what I did last time when I was using this. That fits perfectly inside, and I'll just put the key holder at the back, and these are my most used cards, so I put the cards right here in the slip pocket. It sets in perfectly there. Okay, so if you guys have a Louis Vuitton 6-key holder, that would fit as well inside. Yes, yeah, that's just pretty much what you could actually fit. And I usually, like, when I'm using this purse, that's just what I normally But inside, as far as like, let me just put this coin purse, but yeah, this is just, yeah, it wouldn't fit in there with all of these. But I know there's still a little bit of room right in this corner. But pretty much this is how I'm going to stuff it. So I have all my essentials here. That's fine. And I have my key holder and I have my card holder and also my phone. And then I'm good to go. So, oh, wow. It's just, look at that, guys. It looks like I overstuff it. It looks like it was overstuffed, but then again, the leather is flexible. It's really soft. I don't think that's a problem, but just by looking at it, it looks like it looks overstuffed. So what I would do is just probably, like, you know, take some of this stuff that I have here. I'm probably not gonna overstuff this one. I'm probably gonna have to take out some of these items that I don't really need. So let me just try to put this one back with, try to minimize what I have inside. It's still, yes, it's overstuffed with the mini pochette. So I probably not gonna use this. I'm probably gonna have to use something else, because yeah, you don't want to do that in your purse. You don't want to overstuff it. Okay, so yes, so let me just try to see, out of curiosity, if the full-size wallet would fit in here. So let's just take this one for instance. This is your full-size wallet. No, it actually, yeah, just have to maneuver it a little bit. Yeah, it actually fits the full-size wallet. And let me just close it. Okay, so the reason why this bag is like, it looks overstuffed, it's because I put the phone right here in the front pocket. So let me just take this phone out and put it on the larger pocket and see what happens. See? Yeah, it actually it looks a little bit better now. But see the indentation right here, you could actually see it. So comparing to this one right here, it's really flat. This one is just showing the indentation right over here from this one, from the pockets. So if you overstuff this one, like where I put the phone here, it shows a lot more. Yeah. But I think that's okay. I think that's okay. No, I don't think it would damage the bag though. I don't think so. So yeah, we've tried the mini pochette. That works. We've tried this full-size wallet. It fits. Okay. Yeah, that's just pretty much what it could fit in here. As long as you got your phone inside, as long as you got your wallet and some of your essentials, you're actually doing pretty good. So let me just try to put some of this. This is a wristlet from Coach, if you have one of these. Yeah, this one fits perfectly inside. But yeah, this one, you don't have an option to remove this strap in here. So you might just probably gonna have to, yeah, that actually fits perfectly on this, guys. Plus, you could put, so let me just try to put this coin purse. Oh, yeah, this one actually is on the way. So, yeah, I don't think, yeah, that's just like too much of those stuff there. And then this is a Coach 5 key holder. Let me just see if that one would fit. Looks like it's already overstuffed. I mean, where's our phone? We didn't have our phone yet. So let me just close this one, see how it looks. It looks good. And then let's just put the phone at the back. probably just gonna have to put that phone at the back. So yeah, it looks great. Okay, probably gonna have to put it this way. Yeah, it's just too tight. It gets tight, guys. So yeah, so that's how it would look. Wow. So this one here, I actually got the hang tag. I removed the hang tag for this one. So yeah, so you gonna have to just have to bring something that is actually that you actually needed. You don't want to overstuff the purse. And yeah, I think this purse is good for like a quick night out, quick dinner. So this one is not made to be over, like to put a lot of your essentials and stuff. I think this is only good. I mean, it's so tiny. You could just put your phone, your card holder, and your key holder, and then yeah, that's fine. You don't need to stuff this purse because this one is not made to be to be put like a lot of stuff in it. So it's really cute. It is so petite. It is tiny. It looks gorgeous. It is classy, guys. I love it. Wow. And these two colors here are beautiful and gorgeous. So yeah, that is just a little bit of my demonstration of what could fit on this beautiful Coach Willis 18. And would I recommend it? Yes. And definitely this one retails for $350. I checked online. This one is still available online as well as with the other color. I think it's in brown color. And this one has already been sold out. It's gorgeous. And the craftsmanship for this one is amazing, guys. I love the beautiful large stitching right here. They are gorgeous. So classy. Beautiful. Wow. I love it. Like I mentioned earlier, that this is a tiny purse. An evening night out purse where you don't have to like carry a lot of things. And yes, I'm not going to recommend overstuffing the bag if you want your bag to last longer. Yeah, and also don't forget to condition this. Like I mentioned, that this is prone with scratches, so just condition this purse. Not to avoid it, but just, you know, I mean, it's like the texture gets so smooth. Like somehow if it gets scratches, then you know it's not gonna be as worse as without like putting all those. Because with my previous experience with the glove and leather, I didn't really even bother to put any conditioner. It tends to get more scratches. That's with my experience. But when I started putting those the conditioner, it kind of helps a little bit, but it helps. I mean, it helps. I mean, I don't know really. I was just probably sometimes I get paranoid with those scratches and everything, but then again, I am aware with the leather itself. But yeah, the conditioner really helps. With this leather, you just have to take care of it. You just, you know, don't put your purses on the floor, of course. And yeah, it's gorgeous. And if you manage to get your hands on these, you're not gonna regret it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.